Today we got a Toyota Camry 2728 model, and the problem with this car, which the customer complained, is that the climate control will not power on. It's not sending power. So I'm here to diagnose it to know the reason why. So the first thing I want to do here to check to confirm the customer's information is to stop the car. The ignition is on. Start the car. Okay, now the car has started. So I want to go ahead and put on the AC button, and nothing happens. Nothing. No lights within all this tree. So the blower fan will not come on. Nothing works, and it doesn't send power to the compressor either. So what we're going to be doing here is to tear it apart. We're going to remove this and take a look at it and see if suppose there is any part that disconnect there. Then we can take it off from there. Then after that, we're going to be going towards different other sections to look at it. So hey, come on, loose this thing up. Okay, to get it out, you can see you have to take those apart first. You can see that. I want to go ahead and grab screwdriver and lose out those ones there. You want to keep it somewhere here so it doesn't get misplaced. Okay, and gently drag that one out. Okay, at this, wait, at this, you want to take the shifter, take it to the neutral. So you want to put the ignition on and drag it to neutral, or even to drive to this part here before you start trying to take it off. Simple as that. Now you want to twist it anti-clockwise to remove it. Okay, and take that one out. Then go ahead and gently lift this one up and close it. Put it back. Okay. Unlock it. Okay. Yeah, might need to take a lot of other ones out. Okay, easy. Okay, here we go. From simple. Okay, here you have to disconnect the wires for the charger, for the Sega charger. Remember, in as much as you leave this on the neutral, don't try to pull the key out of the ignition, because it's not going to do so. If you do so, you've damaged the key. So you push the clip and get it out, then boom, you're left with the climate control. So we're gonna lose it out and see what's going on, why it's not powering up, why it's not sending power to the compressor. Okay, once you reach here, you can see the 210mm that is holding it in place underneath there. So you go ahead and lose it out. Lose out and get it to come out. Go ahead, gently. There's a wire there, disconnect it. Press the tab. Simply drag it out. Okay, it has been broken, but this is it, so we keep that aside. Have another pin up there where you want to lose out. Make sure it doesn't fall into place like this one did. Now you can drag the whole thing out. Don't forget how you remove whatever you remove from here when you're disconnecting it. Okay. Now I want to take a look at the climatronics. Okay. So this is the wire for the climate control. It seems like someone has actually tampered with it before. We don't know exactly what they did here, but we want to understand what really happened. Now before getting any further, since this thing is connected, this socket here is connected to the back of climatronics that you can see here. I want to go ahead and look at the fuse. There is a fuse underneath the steering column. We're going to take some of the plates out that's around here. Then you should be having the fuse somewhere here. And if you want to go ahead and get your multimeter set to continuity tests, let me show you details. Now in this very card here, if you still have it, you want to look for, let me give you details. I want to go ahead, there is a AC number 3 there down to the row, third to the last 3 fuse. Follow it the way the cover is. Then there is another one on top which is also AC, which is on 7.5 amps. Hope you can see that in the middle somewhere here. Okay, now what you want to do next is the other one is 10 amps, the other one is 7.5. So let's go ahead and look for it. First of all, let's align it and see how it's covered. Okay, this is how it's covered. So if this is how it's covered, so let's take a look at it together. We have AC here, so which is somewhere around here, and we have another one here. So we count 3, 1, 2, 3. That should be the third one. Then we have to count 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After the power button, then the 6th one. Then there is a spare fuse there. Those are the 2 targets we want to check. Right? So we want to go ahead and pop this one out again. Now I want to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this 7.5 here should be for the climatronics. There is a open spare here. The way I'm actually looking at it, this red one here should be for the climatronics. Then we'll have the third fuse to the last one, which is 10 amps. This one here. So these are our 2